Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for Python programming. Today I am going to show the project, a mini project that is color picker in Tkinter Python with source code. So this simple project where you are going to use the three main colors like RGB, that is red, green, blue. So here the project contains the colors where the user can customize their own color. Hence, moreover, the user can just click or drag the color left to right for the amount of individual color presence only. Hence, the user can get the desired color output from this application very easy. That means we are going that some whenever you execute the program, it will show the window. The window, the colors will be the red color and blue combination will be there. And also at last, user can do some options like copy. That means here you can create the customized color with the help of RGB format, and the user can track the color scale from left to right in each color individual selection scale. Moreover, at last get the final color for the test only. Moreover, the user can also copy the final color, go to the clipboard and use it in their other required area. So let's go switch on the programming mode. So I'm going to execute the project in PyCharm only, very simple and easy. So before going this, you had now let's go for coding here. So we have to know why we need Tkinter. So Tkinter is one of the familiar method where it's in available in Python for create the GUI, that is graphical user interface. Remember, Tkinter is one of the familiar method available in the Python for generating the GUI by default. So here I'm going to import the Tkinter message box where showing the message box like this, and I'm going to use the program. And more here now about the label. So label is one of the widget where we are using in the Python for displaying the text or images. Remember, either text or images or both also we can use the label called we are using the label here. So display the text or image. Moreover, you can use the button and so on and so on. So I'm going to define slider of value where I'm going to define R is equal to red scale dot get and G is equal to green underscore scale dot get method, and blue B is equal to I'm writing blue underscore scale dot get. I'm going to use the RGB is equal to f dash of R comma and so on. Then I'm going to code. I'm going to get the hexadecimal number where I'm going to use then colored label that conf is equal to bg is equal to code, then RGB underscore entry dot delete of 0 comma end, then RGB underscore enter dot insert of 0 comma RGB. Because whenever we are not using the R, the background color in the window, it display the green color only, green color and blue color combination only. If whenever the and if blue color is 0, it will show the combination of red and green only. Then I'm going to use a method that is on click where I'm writing the message Tkinter.message box. It show information that is dot show info of copy to clipboard. Then it will say your RGB color. It display the information. Just I'm writing the message box where it generate the message like where your RGB color is color code and so on. Whatever color code you're using, the entry it will get from you and display here. Then I'm using clips called TK, then clip dot withdraw, then clip dot clipboard underscore clear, and so on. I'm giving up and RGB underscore entry dot get. So whenever this use here in the window, we can select whenever you can select it. It will with the help of clip, it will occupy and color change will be applicable here. So red to green or green to blue and so on and so on. Like then I'm going to use root is called TK of. And then I'm going to call method TK. Then I'm using root dot title of color picker. Then I'm going to use geometric value I'm giving. Then I'm using color labels called label of root comma b is equal to black, width I'm giving 50, height 10, bd is equal to 1 and so on. Then I'm going to use frame. So I'm going to frame is one of the widget where generate a frame here by default in the Tkinter with the help of GUI. Then I'm writing frame of root comma bd is equal to 1, relief is equal to none and so on. Then I'm using red underscore label where I'm writing for red color. Just generate the red color and FG that is foreground is red and font size I'm giving times Roman comma 12 and so on. And similarly red underscore scale as I'm applying here the method. So red scale red label one is for red. Similarly I'm going to for green underscore label for generate the green color. Then I'm again setting the scale also. Similarly I'm going to for blue color also because I'm using only 3 colors. Blue underscore label same I'm using the one column all the scale and measurements here. Then I'm using the frame where I'm writing the frame to I'm generating frame to where I'm writing frame root comma bd is equal to 1, relief is equal to none, and right I'm going to call the frame do dot method that is backup pad is equal to 5 for showing the measurements. Then I'm writing again RGB label where I'm text code, I'm writing RGB code. Then font size I'm fixing as a Times New Roman and so on. And again I'm writing RGB underscore entry where I am writing frame 2 and so on. So I'm going to insert end and copy. So this important code for coding. So copy button of frame 2 comma text code copy and font is called Times New Roman, because whenever you drag the color and give the last button. So last in the frame we have one button where we are clicking to say the color and what do you say, the information copied successfully. The RGB code is copied successfully like that. At last I'm completing the coding with root dot main loop up. So now go for the execution. So I'm going to execute. I'm going to show run the program with the help of PyCharm. If you want, you can use the Python IDE or ideally or anything here. Let's switch on the screen here. So once you generate the program and execute the program, it will show like this. See here it's a rate something. So I'm the user, we are using a drag it. So I'm using the drag, the color is changed here. So I want to reduce the blue color. So I just click here and drag like this. So like this, color is changing now. And I want to reduce the green favor, so I can reduce like this. I want to increase the red favor, I can give like this. So we can use a color picker like this. And when I go copy button, it will display your RGB color code is copied successfully. So again repeating, is one of the easiest Python project with the help of Tkinter GUI. Tkinter, because Tkinter is a method where you used to display develop the GUI very easily. So I hope that you understand this program, understand the project. If any queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate with the social media, what are going in the description link. And moreover, if you like the video, please subscribe and share with others. Thank you.